Iman's latest videos targeted for teenagers trying to become millionaires. Notice that the video is over 13 minutes long. But does it have any substance? Stick with me for a minute. I'll show you what he recommended without all his long explanations.
So you want to become a millionaire. So you watch all of the Tony Robbins seminars, you watch all these motivational videos. I mean, hey, you even think that your TikTok is a great place to get financial education.
The intro is actually good. It hooks you to continue watching.
So the first step if you want to become a millionaire is stop drinking.
It cannot be only me thinking that this is pointless advice. Most of us don't even drink to begin with. He wastes a couple of minutes explaining this.
Now, the best tip to become a millionaire is learn a high income skill.
Second tip is actually good. You can make a lot of money by learning a high income skill. But again, this is very broad and generic. He fails to mention what are these high income skills, so you're still kept in the dark.
Now, the next way to become a millionaire is have a specific amount each week that you put in a separate account to invest.
How can you invest every week if you're a teenager looking to make money? People clicked on his video to see money making methods, not investing, when you don't have any money.
Now, the next money tip for you to become a millionaire is to have coffee in affluent places. Go and have a coffee in an expensive hotel or a very fancy cafe in a super nice area.
Now this just doesn't make sense. His reasoning is that in these expensive places, you are open to more opportunities and ideas. We're on the fourth tip, half of his video, and still he didn't show us anything.
The next money tip for you to become a millionaire is pay off your credit card bills as soon as humanly possible.
Yes, how thoughtful. Bills are on everyone's mind. Without this tip, we still would have paid our bills. I think he overcomplicates things to get more watch time from people like us.
The next money tip in order to become a millionaire is invest in self-education. Now listen, I don't care if it's a book, I don't care if it's a seminar, if it's an online program, whatever it is.
This is the only tip that makes sense out of all of the video. When you're a teenager, you have lots of time on your hands and you can actually become a millionaire through learning. As you grow older, you'll have less time on your hands. So take the chance while you're still young.
Now, the last and final tip to become a millionaire is increase the percentages that you invest.
The last tip doesn't do us any good. Again, if we don't have any money to begin with, how does he expect us to invest? So if you do like I did and squeeze all of the advice from his 13-minute video, you would have ended up with just 2 minutes. I think he takes a long time to explain, and this is for a reason. He wants the watch time from the viewers, as this is how he makes his own money. Now if his advice had actually helped us, then this 13 minutes spent watching him wouldn't be as bad. But when you think about it, when you watch these type of channels, you don't gain anything in the end. Have you ever watched a money making video and actually made money from it? Let me know. I'm still looking.